half a dozen renders representing what is said to be the flagship Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus leaked online today. Samsung's next line of high-end Android products, except for one detail, the color of the phone. While several of the images shown below show the Orchid Gray variant of the Galaxy S9 Plus that has already been reported in recent months, another shows a device whose rear panel is of the Snow White variety. Other features of the phone correspond to previous reports on the Galaxy S9 Plus, with a headset represented as a dual-camera configuration that includes two vertically arranged sensors flanked by a dual LED flash unit and a heart rate monitor from the right. The device's fingerprint reader largely retained the shape seen in the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus but is now horizontally oriented and placed below the flagship's flagship system, presumably because Samsung is trying to make it more easy to reach. The phablet still sports an edge-to-edge screen that curves around its long sides, with its visible bevels remaining largely unchanged, that is, minimal. The lower bezel appears to have been further trimmed, with the overall package apparently having a screen-to-body ratio of about 90%, 6 percentage points more than its predecessor. A Bixby physical key is still part of the package, which is located on the left edge of the Galaxy S9 Plus, below its volume buttons.